Here are a pile of eggshells that will go into our treat for the chickens. So stay tuned and see what that is. Before doing that, we're going to make breakfast burritos with our own eggs for the freezer. He's loving that grass. I'm going to cook up our egg. Get the broom, sweep out from under everything. The treat is giving them calcium lost from their eggshells back in this treat. So this will be our treat. By having our cheese curds in here, our cheddar cheese curds, mixing it all in with some leftover steak from last night. And we're going to be able to make breakfast burritos to freeze. Stop. Bye. It's me. Bye. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 to be wrapped up, and we have plenty left. So I'm going to mix this all in a bowl, melt some of the cheese, and we're going to have scrambled egg bowls. How about that? This is going to be cornbread. Okay. I'm going to make it with water, and I'm going to use their eggs and their eggshells from this morning right here for their cornbread. Now, I'm not making this an exact recipe. Cornbread, not wormbread. Cornbread. We'll talk about it later. We're not talking about it right now. Get in this. This is just for my chicken. I'm not trying to make it perfect and exact to win a prize. So, but I'm making as much of it as I can. So that would be 2 servings of the water. I'm going to go ahead and use up this that I have.
You're going to have to go buy today to buy more.
So here. So I filled this up a cup and a half. It says to do with milk, but we're just using water. And then I filled this up all the way for 2 cups because I had a little over. Now,
can I help you?
Let me. And I am just sprinkling this around. When they eat it, they will ingest this. I will feed these back to them. Just crush them like this and lay them on a plate. Or I will crush them up.
Can we eat them?
No. The way we would have to eat them, kids. No, Silas. No means no. You would have to wash them. And you could cook them at a high temp. And you could receive calcium. Leave it alone. You could receive calcium back from these eggs. So we're just feeding the calcium back. We do have oyster shells. Back off.
Can we use oyster shells?
Just settle down.
Oh wait, use oyster shells.
We have some oyster shells, but this is a chicken treat.
Chicken?
Yes, the chickens are going to eat this cornbread that we're going to cook. Thad, go outside and get me 3 eggs, whole eggs, out of that tray in the fridge.
Okay, I'll let them be big white ones.
All right, big white ones. That's good. We're not worrying about using the sugar or anything like that.
Can I crush them?
No, I'm crushing them. stop touching them. The idea is not to touch them. Y'all have clean hands, and now y'all have to wash them again. Because we have struggled to get our schoolwork done today. Huh? Yeah, we're not playing in that anymore. The kids played in a water spot like they weren't supposed to. Alright, so now we have that. And I'm just mixing, no, I'm not doing that. So I'm just mixing it by hand. You could dry them, powder them. I'm not putting that much effort. The chickens will eat this fine.
Am I going to cook them?
Yes.
Mama, two girls were like, their mouth was open like.
Girls where?
Our chickens.
Oh, two of our chickens. Go get the door for Thad.
They're probably like, where we at?
What? Because they were up on the kids put the two of our chickens on the, where'd you put them? On the trampoline. So let me start the timer. So I'm going to bake it at 400.
I got some different size ones. Kind of small, big and fat.
Now here, just crush it all in. Hand me the other one. Okay. Bring it over here so I don't get it everywhere. Alright. Hand it to me. I'm doing this. Y'all, I need y'all cleaners. We still hadn't done our schoolwork yet. Alright. So now I'm just mixing this by hand. Yes, y'all can do this much neater.
Yay!
But,
With what?
no, not you, Silas. I'm telling our viewers how they can do this much neater. I got Jay. You're about to get it in your face.
How many people can do that for a chicken? Will our roosters eat it?
They can. And we also have some old cornbread in there that I'm going to add into this too.
Mama, we wouldn't put
That was cooked with some buttermilk.
in there.
We wouldn't put the shells in there if we were eating it. Unless you just needed the calcium. But I would powder them and make them really fine. But our blender is still broke.
We can't eat chicken. Mama, but we can't eat a bulldozer. Mama, did you say you're going to put something else in there?
Yes. Cornbread from, let me see, a few days ago. One thing about a farm, hold on, yes, you cannot have one, Silas. Yes, you've had one. Don't say that never, mess. Is you can really find a way to not waste a thing.
Yep. For chickens.
And
for pigs.
Violet's milk.
Died.
Yeah, we don't have pigs anymore. We don't have a setup for it. So here is just us utilizing everything we have. No, I'm good.
Everything utilizing food.
So, just turn it over. Please stop. Y'all won't listen. The excitement's not... The kids are more excited than the chickens will be.
I'm excited at all.
You're not excited at all.
I'll bet you are. On a different day, can you put my herbal tea in there by the sink?
No, remember, your tea set that you got yesterday will not hold water. We can play with it outside some, but not every day.
Mama?
Yeah. So then I'll just bake this till it's all done. And
then you burn it after hot to the chickens.
I don't know that they'll get it hot. Because they're out eating bugs and stuff right now. So it'll probably be something that goes in their coop tonight.
Okay, not that.
Or we can even feed it to them tomorrow morning and see how they like it. Because they'll have to be locked up tomorrow because we're not going to be here.
Yeah,
So just take this soupy mess. It's fine.
Give it to the...
And put it in the oven. So who else has made cornbread for their chickens? God bless you, Silas. Anybody? Silas, leave it alone. And don't eat it. Put it over here. Leave it alone. I would show you the kids, but they were outside in the water. And so they're not properly dressed for camera. Okay. All right, leave it alone, Silas. Leave it alone. Now here's, I'm going to just layer it flat. You can see the eggshells in it.
Hey, Mama, draw letters on it.
It won't stay, Thad. If we had whey, I would soak it in whey before giving to them after I cook it and stuff. And that would be a really rich meal for them. I mean, whey does them good. All right, so it's been cool. This is what I've got. I kind of broke it up so it would go in the pan real easy. Let's see, the chickens have been out here scratching around. And I don't see them now. I hear them out in the woods. So, let's see if I can get them called back up. And y'all can see what they think. Come on. Come and get it. There's Violet. Relaxing. Ruth back there relaxing. Ugh, I gotta clean up around this place. Alright. Not all of them are coming. Let's see what they think of this. Chickens! That hurt. Trying to hit the thumb. I seem to like it. I have two more brown ones I need. One more white one. And another light brown one. Okay, two brown ones have come. Come in here. Wrong way, nuts. Going the wrong way. Okay. There's my white one. Come on. Y'all go on in. Go, go. Go. Go, lady. Go, lady. Go, go, go. Go, ladies. Come on. Come in here. Okay, two roosters. See if everybody can come in. All right. Got two straggling right there. Let me get one of my roosters a bite. Him and that other one have been fighting. Come on, ladies, get in there. I got y'all a treat. Come on. Come on. Go, go, go. Go. Go, Sally. Sally's trying to get it. No, if I put y'all together, somebody's going to get hurt. All right. Sorry, y'all. Didn't film that very well. He's out there, but he's more worried because he's not in here. So, here's something, a fun little activity. They get to peck at it, eat it, do all that. And they'll get feed tomorrow. But this will keep them entertained and occupied. There's ladies over there playing with a bit she keeps trying to peck off. All right, let's do our count. 2, 3, 4. So that is 4, 5 brown ones, 2 light brown ones, and 1, 2, 3 white ones and a rooster. So there we go. I know. I just lured y'all in here with the bag. But they've had some free ranging today. Oh, he has something to say. But I would say they like it. Look at her. One of them over there. So good entertainment. Easy treat. And it gives them back the calcium they need. So that's pretty easy. I hope y'all like this. Anybody else have some interesting treats? Love you. That you have. I hope so. Share them. It didn't take long, and it wasn't a big old ordeal to do. But that feeds them back calcium for a couple of days of eggs. And then, like I said, just gives them a little treat. A little fun entertainment to just sit there and eat. So, hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please subscribe. Y'all have a blessed day. We had a cockatoo lay eggs all the time, so we fed her back her eggs in cornbread like the vet said.